Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add copy to context menu in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand H-key current root. Click and expand all file system objects. Click and expand shell EX. Click and expand context menu handlers. Right-click context menu handlers, new, key. Copy text from description and paste it. Close and exit registry editor. Restart Windows Explorer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.